Introducing the F004M misting camping fan. Today I'm filling up our fan with just regular bottled water. In the actual packaging, it does come with a small bottle specific for refills. Get that sealed up top. We've got a plug here in the middle to prevent leakage. But if you're ready to use the misting function, just pull that off, flip the fan around, and you'll be able to control it with the button panel you see here. A super fine mist, incredibly refreshing. I'm obsessed with this fan. Perfect for all your camping trips. Shop at the link in our bio.